To send money with Zelle from a BMO checking account. Start by opening the BMO website in your browser and logging in with your user ID and password. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard of your BMO account, where you can view your account summary. Scroll down and expand the Quick Actions section. Then find and click on Send Money with Zelle on the Let's Make Transfer page. Click the blue Get Started button. You will then be prompted to review some information and click Get Started again. Next, you will be asked to select how you want to be identified on Zelle. So choose your identifier and click Continue. After reading the notice and clicking OK, you will need to verify that you own the identifier using a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code and click Yes. Continue. If you have already used the identifier with another bank, you will need to transfer it. Then, you can select which checking account to use with Zelle and click Confirm Account. Once you have enrolled in Zelle, you can start making transfers by clicking Send Money. You will be offered the option to generate a code, but you can skip this step for now. After acknowledging some tips by clicking Got It, you can add a new recipient to your Zelle contacts by clicking the New Contact button. Enter the recipient's first and last name, and optionally a nickname. Then enter their identifier, which can be an email, phone number, or account number. After saving the recipient's information, if they are not already enrolled in Zelle, they will receive a notification and be prompted to enroll. Click Continue to proceed. Finally, enter the amount you want to transfer and click Review. On the review step, you can optionally enter a reason for the transfer. Then click the Send button to complete the transaction.